Welcome to Teamhub. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a new hub so you can collaborate seamlessly with your team. Click on the New Hub button in the left nav to get started with a hub. Now, just enter the name of the hub. For example, let's call this Hub Development. You can choose a color and select an icon from the list. By default, hubs are always private and you'll need to add in members of your team that you want to give access to. You can do that from this screen. Anyone not added to the hub will not be able to see or access it from the left navigation when they're in the account. You can set the permission level for each user in the hub. See the details of each permission and choose the one that best fits for your team. The hubs allow you to group together different projects, folders, and docs and keep things structured and organized in Teamhub. You can also add users to a hub later at any time by clicking the Manage Members icon here. There's more help videos like this one in our help section.